In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Storyboard in Milanote. We'll walk through a clear, practical workflow so you can plan videos, animations, or presentations with confidence. First, head to Milanote and create a new board. Click New Board, then choose the Storyboard template if you want a ready-made structure, or pick a blank board if you prefer to build it from scratch. Give the board a name that matches your project so it's easy to find later. A descriptive title like YouTube Video Storyboards keeps everything organized as your project grows. Next, set up your story structure. Create a simple sequence: Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and an ending. Think of each scene as one distinct part of your story. Clear labels keep the narrative easy to scan at a glance and help you track pacing from start to finish. Now add your frames or visuals. Upload images that represent what the audience will see. Quick sketches, screenshots, or reference photos all work well. Don't worry about perfect artwork. These are guideposts. Each image should stand in for a scene so you can visualize the flow without getting bogged down in details. Under each frame, add scene descriptions. Note the shot type, such as close-up or wide shot, any key dialogue or voiceover lines, and the purpose of the scene. Keep these notes short and action-focused. You're aiming to answer what the viewer should feel or understand at that moment, and why this scene exists. Arrange everything in sequence from left to right, timeline style. This layout mirrors how people read and watch, making your story flow clear. As you drag frames into place, you'll quickly spot gaps, redundancies, or pacing issues. Add production details to make your plan shoot ready. Include camera movements like pans or zooms, the transitions you expect between scenes, and notes about sound or music. A few consistent abbreviations help. The goal is to communicate intent without clutter. Use arrows and connections where needed to show how scenes relate or to indicate branching paths. These visual links make transitions and dependencies obvious, especially if you have parallel ideas or cutaways. Refine and simplify. Remove any scene that doesn't serve the story, and tighten descriptions so each card is instantly understandable. Clarity beats complexity every time. Finally, share or present. Click Share to invite collaborators and use presentation mode to walk clients or your team through the storyboard in order. It's a clean, distraction-free way to get feedback and sign off. And that's it, your storyboard in Milanote, ready to guide production from idea to final cut.